Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s to the power of 3. We can do another factorization by negative s. So we have s minus 1, s minus 1. We can do another factorization. Next, we have s to the power of 3 and we have s. We can do another factorization in here. So this one, we can do another factorization by s. Now we need to simplify by s on numerator and denominator. This one, we have s minus 1 and s plus 1. So we have s minus 1, s minus 1. We can put into s minus 1 to the power of 2. Now, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over s minus 1 to the power of 2. And b over s minus 1. Because we have the power 2 in here, that's why we need to have about 2 fractions. And later that we need to reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. And we have c over s plus 1. Now we do common denominator. So for this one, we need to put this one in here. About capital A, we missing about s plus 1, so we need to multiply by s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s minus 1 and s plus 1. So for capital B, we need to multiply by s minus 1, s plus 1. About capital C, it is missing about s minus 1 to the power of 2. Now, we need to expand this one and this one. Now, we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s squared, we have b plus c. About s, we have a multiplied by s minus 2c. About the number, we have a multiplied by number 1, b multiplied by negative number 1, and c multiplied by number 1 in here. Now we need to compare coefficients. About s squared, we don't have s squared in here, so b plus c equals to number 0. About s, we have number 3, so a minus 2c equals to number 3 in here. About the number, this one equals to number 5. And now we create the system of equations. Now, we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So, A equals to number 4, B equals to negative 1 over 2, c equals to 1 over 2. And now we need to put the value a, b, c go in here. So a equals to number 4, b equals to negative 1 over 2, c equals to 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 4 over s minus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1, and we put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.